In this video, I'm going to show you one of the fastest withdrawal systems in Make Money Online. So I've definitely invested in a lot of platforms, but this one really amuses me. So it's very amazing in terms of withdrawal. And in this video, I'm just going to show you briefly how long it takes to receive money on this platform. So if you understand, this is Afric JM arbitrage. The one that is owned by Jason Michael. So this is the best platform in arbitrage, and in today's video I'm just going to withdraw this 51.5 USDT to my Binance account, and we are going to see how long it really takes for us to receive that money. So if you understand, with this platform you have to have bound your TRC20 withdraw address, of which I have done that because you see I have already withdrawn 51.15. So I'm going to go ahead directly to withdraw this 51.5 again to my Binance account, and we're going to see how long it takes for us to receive that money, right? So this is amazing. So now what we are going to do, we are going to head over to the menu, and just we are going to go for withdrawals, right? So if you tap on withdrawals again, we are going to go for withdrawals. So okay, so if you want to register on this platform, I have the link in the video description. Go ahead and register so that you also enjoy this. So it says you have to have already bound your TRC20 USDT address. So if you haven't, then you have to make sure it is already bound to your account. So mine is already there, and I'm just going to select the wallet, and I'm going to use that one. And amount balance, I have 51.5, so I'm going to withdraw 50.5, right? And after doing that, I'm just going to tap on withdraw, right? I'm going to tap on withdraw. Okay, and let's see how long it takes for us to receive this money. Okay, withdraw processed successfully. So, and here right now it says, let me check. So there isn't anything like withdraw pending. There isn't anything like give us a minute for the admin to review. No, I think it is instant, right? Let's just check and see. Where should we check? Okay, let's go to dashboard. In no minute, guys, in no minute. So if you check on withdrawals, it says 101, right? 101. So I had 50 that I withdrew previously. So today I withdrawn 50, but in no minute it says my withdrawals is 101 so far. So my account balance, you can see it is 0. So again, if we checked through the withdrawals, everything, no, sorry, wanted to check withdraw history, right? Okay, withdraw history already says 50. This is the one for today, right? This is the one for today. Successful already. Let me check if I received any email yet. I'm not sure if they send email or anything. Oh my goodness, Binance confirms something like this. Oh my Jesus. In no minute, guys. So this is 17:55. Right now is 17:56, right? So it means these guys just send your money immediately. You ask for a withdraw, right? You saw what happened. It was like you tap, the moment you tap your withdraw button, immediately says withdraw successful. Just like that. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So you can see my deposit of 50.5, the exact amount that withdrawn is available on my Binance account. Oh Jesus, I wish every system was like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is it, guys, with Afric arbitrage system, one of the companies that has the fastest withdrawal time. Okay, so you like the video, like it, subscribe. I'll put the link in the video description in case you want to join. Take care, guys. I love you.